When you open up the packaging, the salt cup is nestled neatly inside. This is all paper, by the way, fully recyclable. Inside are instructions and some information about the brand and menstrual cups and their pouches. This particular model is the one that includes both sizes, so both of them are nestled in here. The Saalt is a great middle of the road cup, which is what makes it work so well for so many people. It comes in 2 sizes. There's a pretty good difference both in length and in diameter. Some brands don't have a lot of difference or basically none at all between their sizes, which makes it really confusing as to which one to choose and why they even bother with 2 sizes at all. It fits very nicely and comfortably. I'm actually wearing mine right now. I did a C-fold, inserted, it opened right away. The Saalt cup is great for anyone with an average cervix or one that is a little bit above average or a little bit below average. It's a good length. If your cervix goes a little bit higher, it's got a stem so you can easily reach it and good grips so that you can help coax it down. And if your cervix dips a little lower on some days like mine does, it still has a good length so that it's not too long. One of the things that I love about Saalt is the branding and packaging. While it doesn't impact your vagina directly, it always feels nice to have something that looks like thought went into it and that feels a bit like a gift.